Hi friend, this is another tutorial that I want to show you the new feature of Windows 11. Now go to the personalization. On the personalization, go to the color and you can change the dark theme or light theme. If you want a light theme, you can choose it the light, or if you want a dark theme, you can choose a dark. You can also change accent color, and if you want to change, you can choose from this part. Now going to next feature. Windows have a night light that you can use from personalization. Going to the night light. But before I going to night light, I back it again and choose it the light to see better this feature. Now changing to light, and after it find night light. After finding the night light, enable this part and you can change it to 50%. If you want to go warmer, you can scroll it to right, but 50% enough. Now turn it off again and you can choose it schedule. For timing that you want to start this feature, you can set a scheduler time. Set the hours for this feature. I want to turn on this feature on 9 p.m. You can choose the time that you want and turn off time. Turn on at the 9 p.m. and turn off at 7 a.m. Or you can disable this part. This is a night light for protection your eyes. Go to the accessibility and find the mouse cursor. This is a mouse pointer, and this is a mouse cursor. Mouse pointer style. You can increase the size. Now for recording or streaming a game, you can have a bigger pointer, or you can change the style of this pointer or color. You can set another color for pointer. This is a new version of Windows 11 and some features are very new, like this pointer. Now go to the next feature. Go to the app. If you remember, we have one shortcut for this feature. Windows logo plus R, and after it msconfig, and find startup and disable or enable startup that I learned you before. Now we have a graphical design for a startup. Going to a startup, the software that you don't need, you can disable it or enable the software that you want. When your computer starts, the software automatically starts. You can go to the control panel. On the control panel Windows tool, you can find another feature of Windows, like msconfig or Windows configuration. This part also available for system configuration. You can find this part also, system configuration. And after double click on this part and go to the startup, open task manager, every software that starts automatically, you can go and disable this part, and after it click on OK. This is another method that you can disable a startup app. Now back again to the accessibility. Personalization. Go to the app and install it app. You can uninstall the software that you don't need it. by going to App, Installed App. This is another feature of Windows 11. We have a graphical design. But in Windows 10, we going to the control panel and finding the installed software, program and feature. These parts are available in Windows 10 and Windows 8 and Windows 7. You can uninstall by right click and setting uninstall. Now back again to this part, personalization. We have Snip and Sketch and eye control. Before I close this part, go to the accessibility and final part, eye control. Eye control, you can connect an eye tracer to use eye control. You can typing with your eye control. Before typing with eye control, you must connect eye tracer and enable it, and after it you can typing with eye. And English keywords also supported this feature. Now close this port and go to the Start menu. On the Start menu, find it a Snip and Sketch. A Snip and Sketch tool. You can get a new screenshot from the window by Snip and Sketch and save it to any place that you want. Now close this part and go to next part. We have sticky notes on Windows 11, and you can create a new note for job, and you can sync it to your phone or cloud system. You can write everything that you want, and after it you can set it to background of your desktop, and also you can sync it in the cloud system. This part also available on phone. Now close it all windows and go to the next feature, Steps Recorder. Steps Recorder are a new feature of Windows 11. If you want to give a tutorial or explain some part for your friend, you can connect a microphone and after it start recording. After clicking start recording, every step we have a screen and caption under part. This part also named Steps Recorder. Every steps record with a screenshot and capture. This is a step recorder feature of Windows. Before I finish this tutorial, I want to show you another hidden feature of Windows 11 and other Windows. Now you can start a Google Chrome and PowerPoint. After going to maximize and doing this job, if your program in progress, you can go into desktop very easy and don't close any software or don't any progress by going to right bottom corner and show desktop. This part. This is one of feature in Windows. If you have very software on your desktop, you can hide it by going show desktop icon. Hide all of the software in Windows. Now go to view and show desktop icon. This is a feature of Windows. Thanks for watching this video. If you don't know anything about the Windows, please see my playlist about the Windows and trick. If you want to learn more about the Windows, or if you don't know any part of Windows, you can write me a comment and ask me. Please see my video on playlist about hardware, software programming or repairing. Please consider subscribe for me and suggest my channel to your friend and family. Thank you for watching this video.